Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be telling you about the new unboxing that I have. So first, let me begin with, last week I tried to type something across the bottom of my screen. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't when I put up a video. So to avoid all of that, I will try to get it up there, but if I don't, I have it written down here on the paper, the website and how to get on the wait list. So if you were here last Saturday with me, you will see what I talked about. But anyway, let me go forward here. So the name of the box is called the Ginger, G-I-N-G-E-R, Quilter Box. You can get on her website. You can get on the wait list. But anyway, you can get on her website like that. And I'm going to show you. I have it here on my iPad. I'm going to bring it up so I can show you all. So before I do that, I also want to say, for all the Stephanie Bond readers, those that like to watch it, this is what starts today, July 1. That's what she's got up. Now remember, this story is free. Every day you have to come back on. She normally puts her story after 4 a.m. in the morning every single day. Now, they will stay on for 10 days to start out with. So she'll have today, it'll be the first, it gives you a little bit of the background, then it gives you the story. Then it'll give you a little bit of the background tomorrow. You'll have day 1, and then she'll add it to day 2 up until the 10th day. And then on the 11th, she pulls it down. So then going beyond that date, all you'll get is the background, which is a little preface, and then that specific day. So if you miss a day, you've missed a day in the story because you cannot go back and read it. Her website is stephaniebond.com, and then they'll have the little bars up here at the top right-hand side, and you click on it, and you go to that book, which is going to be the top one. Now, you can buy it in increments, so if you wanted to buy for, like, the first 6, I believe it's 6, she has, like, divided in half, like 6 books. Let me see if I can bring it up to tell you. Nope, that did not work. Okay. So... yeah, you'd have to go ahead and get on it because I've already been on it a couple times, so I've like wore out my thing to get on there. But just to give you an example, so it's Holiday Girl Part 1 of 6. You can pre-order now, and it's available July 11th. Then Holiday Girl Part 2 of 6 is available August 1st. This is how she does it. Otherwise, if you want to just read it for free and you don't have to have it because you feel like, you know, if you're one of those people that you can space it out, because sometimes people can't do that, read a little bit or they forget. I just remember because I do it at the same time every morning. I get up and I read it. But anyway, so all the way up to 6 of 6, which will be available December 1st. Okay, so it's giving you an idea. I mean, each one's going to give you so much of the book. But in my case, I just get on there every day and then I just read a little bit of it. I mean, I can remember because it's only like a couple of paragraphs. It's not like a whole bunch to read. But anyway, so if you want to start out, I mean, if you want to read it, I'll give you the very beginning of it. And it talks about this girl. And believe it or not, her name is Comfort and Joy. So when she's reading it, she goes, when you're reading it on the first line, she says, I'll wait while that one sinks in. And then it says, whistling noise, in parentheses says, oh, you get it? And so, you know, I went ahead and read the whole line. I'm going, you get what? Didn't faze me in the least, went right over my head. So then I sat and said her name again, and then it was like, duh moment. So I got it. But anyway, it's really, really nice. And of course, you know, because her name is Comfort and Joy, she hates Christmas. She doesn't like Christmas. Of course, she doesn't like her name either, but that's beside the point. So anyways, already the first page is really, really nice. Okay, it's a really good read. So it's going to be quite interesting. I like Stephanie Bond books, if any of you want to check them out. All right, now on to this next website. I tried to get all of them up here. So here is the Ginger Quilter Box. And you get on her website by going to gingerquilterbox.com. I'm going to show you what it comes up with if I can get it to... let's see. Okay. Apparently it's having issues. I have a super duper old, when I say old, I don't even know how old my iPad is. All right, so here's what comes up first, right here. Hopefully you can read that. I don't have any glares on it. Okay, there you go. And like I said, she has a wait list, okay? So you can join the wait list. And then right underneath that, it says how this works. So you start your subscription by placing an order for the Ginger Quilter box. You choose if you would like to pay either each month, quarterly, or every 6 months. They create a special quilting item for your monthly delivery. Each box will include a new project pattern, the fabric to make it, quilting notions, a seasonal goodie, and a special treat to munch on while you sew. Your box will be shipped on the 1st of each month, and as soon as it arrives, you can get quilting right away and enjoy your creative sewing. And I think right now, when she has leftover box, you can actually order them. I was trying to see which box she had. Let's see. I'm going to go to past boxes to give you an idea what it looks like. Okay, so here's some of the past boxes. I'm going to show you. Here's 6 of them. I'm going to scroll up and get the next 2 at the bottom. There you go. There's 3 more down there at the bottom. And you can become a VIP, which you can read that. You can read her blog. And then let me give you an idea. So when you go into, all I chose on here was shop. And then this is what shows up first off, just to give you an idea. So based on this left-hand column here in the pink, you can choose different things that you want to see specifically. So let me go to the 5 boxes. So let me click on that first. Okay, so here's what shows up. So there is a classic mystery box for $40, as you can see on the top left. Then there is a mega mystery box for $70. Let me scroll up a little bit. And then there is right now the Valentine Days quilt box, which was January of this year. They still have at least one of those because it's showing on the website. And then they have, or at least it's showing it is, they have a Mystery Ginger Quilter box, which is between $40 and $80. And then they have the Krabby box, which was the June. So last month, in June of 2023, they had that Krabby box. So you made that little crab. But not everything is either going to be a runner or a table topper or a wall hanging. Okay, so sometimes they have quilts, and then other times they had, like she had a bag on one of them. Let's see if I can go to, so they have patterns, notions, kits, gifts, gift cards, and they have fabric, and then your discount membership. And it is anywhere between $100 up to $170. And then when you're done looking at the boxes, all you do is hit the reset button down here. So I hit it, hopefully it works. There you go, and then it goes back to the very beginning. So then you can pick something else on the box to view. All right. So that's a little bit of what I was talking about. Now that box is totally different than any of the boxes that I have received so far, and that's what I'm getting. She shipped them out today, which is the 1st, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let you see how to get to that specific thing. If you don't want to bring it up, or you can bring it up and look at the website, otherwise you can go directly to it, and I have it written down here on my paper, and I'll show it to you real quick.